Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. I appreciate it. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you and reviewing how I feel about the Louis Vuitton mini Croisette wallet. This is it here. I did a video a couple weeks back about choosing the perfect handbag for every occasion, and this is a minimalist bag that I chose, and I had so many questions, so I thought I'd just show you what fits inside. I thought I would just show you what fits inside and where I'm carrying it to. It's a really small bag. You're not going to get a whole lot in it. I have it stuffed to capacity. I wouldn't want to stuff it any more than this, only because I wouldn't want it to stretch out. It does have these little concordance pockets here that just opens up a little bit. I have a full video on this and unboxing, as well as a little bit more dimensions, sizes, everything like that. So if you want full details, I'll pop a link for that video. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell. It'll notify you and you'll never miss a video on this channel. Okay, back to the video. Anyways, you guys, this is a great bag. You know me, I love a chain detail. You can wrap it up, you can wear it in the crook of your arm, you can wear it as a little over the shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody. I am about 5'2" and a half. I don't think that half really counts, but I'm 5'2", and on me, I'm going to stand and just show you where it falls. I'm going to put it on as a crossbody, so standing on me, it falls about right here, right about at my hip. And now I'll just quickly show you what goes in it. I'm trying to keep this from being a what's in my bag. I just want to show you what fits inside here, because I have spoke about this bag before, not in full detail, so that's what we'll cover today. If you notice, I do have my keys here. Like I said before, I'm not a driver. I don't like driving. I will treat for lunch, I will treat for dinner, but you gotta do the driving. I'm not a driver, I just don't like it. So my keys won't fit in here because I don't have enough room and I don't plan on driving. So we'll just set those there. Second thing, my phone. My phone probably would fit inside because it will fit, but I'll definitely have to take something out that I have in there. I'm not the type that generally has my phone in my handbag anyway. My phone is always in my coat pocket since we are in the fall winter season, or it's in my hand. I'm not the type that ever really puts it in my bag. I'm always like capturing the moment on my phone, you know. So my phone will fit inside, however, not with everything that I have in. So let's jump in quickly and see what I have inside. I have my Chanel lip topper in here. I am also able to fit in here some blotting sheets from Sephora. I am also able to fit my eyelash glue, and this is so necessary. If you guys are not following me on Snapchat, you're completely missing the hugest laughs ever. Was out at date night the other night. My eyelashes just completely came off. It was like on the table, like what is going on? So clearly I need a better eyelash glue, but this one is in here just in case I have any issues tonight. It is fall and winter, but who am I kidding? I'm trying to do fall, winter, pumpkin spice latte vibes here, but it's like 90 degrees outside and I am hot. But I do have Kleenex in here because it is sniffle season, supposedly. I have a little Tom Ford lipstick in here. Everything that's in this bag is very miniature because you can't fit big stuff in here. It just makes it too bulky. I have a couple of after dinner mints, which are 2 pieces of Trident gum. And then I also have in here a little Clinique lip gloss. I have so many lip glosses, even in a small bag. My lips are always thirsty, so I have to carry multiple ones. And then I have in here a little miniature Guerlain lotion hand cream. It's very small, so that can fit in there. I do have in here my double-sided Chanel slim mirror, and that's what I do like about this. It's very compact and it's very slim. Oh, don't look at it, just don't worry about it. Anyways, you can fit your mirror in there. It has room for cash. I have cash because, like I said, I don't like to drive and we generally valet, so I'll pick up valet if you drive. So you can get some cash back there in that last compartment. It has about 14 different credit card slots in here, and those are them there. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in here. Most of them are gift cards and my Target card, my insurance card, so that's it. And then it has a side here. You do have another compartment here, and then you do have a, where is it, a zippy compartment there that you could store more stuff in. Like I said, a full detail review on this bag is in the video of an unboxing, and I'll pop a link in and put it in the description box below. But I did have questions, and I think that this is a great bag for wearing for date night. I think it's a great bag when you're not going to be out very long. If you're just going to go out to dinner, maybe a movie, a symphony, a Broadway show, a play, something like that, this is perfect. It's minimal. It's just very easy to get in and get out of. This little thing clamps together these two, and it helps you get in the bag and then pulling it up. I have had times where I've had to make sure that I pushed the bag all the way down because it wasn't really closed, so you do want to make sure you put a little force when you do that. There's not a lot to say about it. It's easy breezy. I do like it too because you can put it under, you can put it like on you like this and still wrap up in your coat or your jacket or your scarves or whatever, and you can still get to it. It's not a big bulky purse or a big bulky one is what I'm trying to say. So it is really easy to get in and get out of. I love where it sits on me because it just makes for easy access. I looked online. I didn't see a lot of reviews on this. If I saw any, I think maybe I've seen like one or two, and I know that there are so many questions, so I just wanted to take a few minutes, pop on, and just tell you a little bit more about this bag in detail. I do highly recommend it. I think it's perfect for the date night out, for brunch, just a day where you're not going to be out for long periods of time. You've seen everything that I'm able to fit in here. It's not a whole lot of stuff, but it's all the major necessities that I'll need when I'm out, so I feel confident in that. Other than that, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here. If you have any questions, any comments that you'd like to leave, or you know about this bag, or you want to ask about this bag, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.